Hyperia construction update. Oh my god. Look at this. So I was actually here on Wednesday when they had the first bit of track for the lift hill installed, or rather delivered on site. So I got a couple of videos of that, and then I was also here on Thursday when they were installing that motor just behind it over there. And then obviously they lifted it on Thursday, but I wasn't there for that. I missed that. But oh well, we're here now. This, oh my god, this is such a steep lift hill. Like, the camera doesn't show it justice. This is really, really steep. The station is also covered in the gold stuff, in the gold panelling over there. Some more on that side. I was also there when they started work on it there. Down there, they had a hole, and it's still here. The crate full of the things are all there. Look how tiny the workers are compared to this ride. Look how small they are. Just puts into scale really how gigantic this coaster is. Look how high off the ground they are. And then look how much. I keep saying that. I need to shut up. There's also some landscaping over there. See that? The trees, the little shrubs they've planted. Man, it's weird to think, like, that bit over there was the first ever bit of track installed, and we were all really hyped for it, and now look at it. Finished that, all the way around, done this, completed in like 2 months. Maybe more, don't know. See some of that white lift hill over there through the trees. On site, ready to be installed. Samurai being covered up. I think they're just trying to hide their repaint from all of us. So they just covered all the rows of sea. Or not, I could just be yapping. But it's moved again, and you can see the rows are covered in a black tarpaulin. If they moved Saw Alive, look. Saw Alive used to be over there. You can see the port where it was, and now it's over there. What's going on? We just have Thorpe Park over here, and then just Hyperia dominating the whole thing. But the Outer Bank, which isn't even the tallest bit, is like, well, obviously it's not, but it looks like it's taller than the rest of the park, which is crazy. There's a real contrast between the freshly painted section of the bridge and the first half, which is yet to be done. That's cool. You're welcome for that.